My name is Stacey, and I'm 42 years old, and I have been coming to Onus for just over 6 years. So 6 years ago when I started coming, it was to be proactive about migraines I was getting. So I've taken, anything from onset to daily migraine medicine. Nothing was really keeping up. And I knew that it was stress related, it was exhaustion related, all those things. So I thought, how can I be more proactive to lessen that occurrences of those migraines? I've always been an athlete, so I know that maintaining and, consistently taking care of yourself is really important. But when it becomes health issues that you don't always have control over, which I hate not having control, it went, okay, what can I do? What can I do here? How do I keep myself from, being in bed for 3 days with a migraine? My lifestyle doesn't allow for that, but it helped with energy, helped with sleep, helped with stress management. It helps you get from the peaks and valleys to much more stable set. So I bring my computer, I bring my book, and I feel like, okay, I can get healthy, take care of myself for a minute, but also, be productive when I need to be.
We all have jobs and we all have kids and we all are, basically Ubers driving these people around in our life. So that gets exhausting, but it's about just taking that time to regularly account and check in on your body and yourself and do it in a way that's really healthy. Every time I come in now, I'm like, same thing I did last time, because that's what's working. But if it ever comes to a point where that's not working, I trust the team to advise as I need. The staff have almost become friends. They're asking questions like, show me pictures of Noah. You were here when you were pregnant and now he's almost 4. Like they've taken a real interest and it's genuine. And I always know that I'm gonna get, really good guidance, good feedback, and just honestly enjoy my time here.